What's going on, everybody? Mr.C growing for B, back at you again. This time coming at you a little different. I had a LED light company reach out to me, wanted me to give their light a try. It's just going to be a little small one, so I figured, I don't know if I should do it, what I should do with it. Thought about it. I did come from a little small cabinet. I had a few of you guys reach out to me, thought about what I would recommend in a small grow. So I figured this is a perfect opportunity, give this light a chance. Nice spectrum on their website, talking about the light spectrum. Pretty remarkable. It is a small one though, so it's gonna be a small little grow. I figured we'll do a nice little, maybe a seed pop in or maybe a clone from start to finish. Kind of show you what's this light is all about here. It's got a nice little Meanwell driver, so it does have the power to back it up. It is only a little 100 watts, so I think it's testing at maybe 102 watts. I think it tested at, but it does have a nice little controllable box, a little dimmable knob on it. So it's got a few little features. You could daisy chain these guys up to 12 different lights. Turn them on and off independent. But look at how thin that is, though. That is pretty remarkable. You get some bigger ones. This is one of the smaller ones. It is a SF1000, I want to say it is. It's got a nice little logo backing it up with the #1 LED chip, Samsung diodes there. So got some infrared lights going on in there too. So not too bad. So I want to get your guys' opinion. Let you guys know, what I think about them. We'll try to keep you guys posted every week, maybe every other week. There's the dimmable knob. That's pretty sick on it. But if you guys have any inputs, if you guys have any good comments, bad comments, let me know. Hit me up. Share a link. Let me know what you guys think. So, I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Guys, let you know the truth of this guy. It's just going to be a little small little setup, but we'll see. Much love. Share, like, and subscribe. Much love. Growers love, guys. Keep growing on.